Today let us do probability exercise 15A, question number 24. Here we have a bag which contains the tickets with number 11 up to 30. So from 11 up to 30, how many tickets will be there? 11 up to 20 will be 10. Then 21 up to 30, 10. So that means total number of tickets we have, it will be equal to 20. Remember, we have the numbers starting from 11 up to 30 only. Then we have to find the probability of a number which is a multiple of 7. That means the one which we can divide by 7. So what are the numbers right from 11 up to 30 which we can divide by 7? 717, that is less than 11, we cannot take. 7214, that is between 11 and 30. 7 into 3, 21, that is 11 and 30. 7 4, 28. 7 5, 35, that is more than 30. So the numbers which are multiple of 7 between 11 and 30, they are 14, 21 and 28. So that means there are 3 such numbers. Okay, so those numbers are 14, 72, 73, 74. Okay, then that means here we have 3. So the probability for multiple of 7, the favorable is 3, and the total number of tickets that is possible outcome is 20. So the required probability will be 3 by 20. Then next we have to take a number greater than 15, but at the same time that means at the same time it should be a number which we can divide by 5. Multiple of 5 means we will be able to find it in table 5. Remember, we have the number between 11 to 30. But now we have to take greater than 15. That means between 15 and 30. We have to choose a number which we can divide by 5. So what will be that number? 5, 3, 15. So it should be greater, it will not be 15. 5, 4 we have 20. 5, 5 we have 25. 5, 6, 30. So the number which are greater than 15 and at the same time we can divide them by 5, they are 20, 25 and 30. So that means we have 3 of them. Okay, we have 3 of them. They are 20, 25 and 30. So the same time there are 3 of them. So the probability that a number is greater than 15 at the same time multiple of 5, it will be 3 by total number, that is the possible outcome we have here from the beginning, it is 20. So we cannot cancel, that is the answer. So let's move on to the next question, number 25. In question number 25, again we have a bag which contains the cards whose numbers start from 2 to 90. Then from there we have to find a probability 2 to 20, the numbers. Okay, 2 up to 90. So we know if we start from 1 to 90, there will be 90 numbers. But here we start from 2. So that means it will be lagged by 1. So how many numbers will be there? There will be 89 numbers. Remember, because they start from 2. So one is missing, which means there will be 89 numbers. So here we have to find a probability, a 2-digit number. 2-digit means a number which consists 2 numbers. Okay, like here we have 10. Okay, we have like 10, 11, 12. They all contain 2 digits. So we have to go on up to 90. So we can count them, right? From 11 to 20, we have 10 of them. Then up to 30, we have another 10. Up to 40, another 10. Up to 50, another 10. Up to 60, another 10. Up to 70, another 10. Up to 80, another 10. Up to 90, another 10. So how many 10 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 80 of them. Okay, and at the same time, remember we have 10, because if you start from 11 to 90, there are 80 of them, but 10 also is a number of 2 digits. So with 10, it will be equal to 81. So that means there are 81 numbers which are 2 digits. So the probability for a 2 digits number, it will be the favorable outcome. That means what we want is 81, and the total number of numbers we have is 89. Okay, then next we have to find a number which is a perfect square. So the same way, between 2 up to 90, we have to take the perfect square. So remember, the perfect square means the numbers which you multiply by 2 same number. 2 into 2, we have 4. So 4 is first number because it's between 2 and 90. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 7, 49. 8 into 8, 64. 9 into 9, 81. 10 into 10, 100. 100, it is out of 90. So those which are between 2 and 90, they are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and 81. That means how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 of them. Okay, so those. So the numbers which is a perfect square, if you want you can write, if you don't want it's okay. 4 we have them. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, then 8, 8, 64, 9, 9, 81. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 of them. So the probability for a number which is perfect square, what we want only 8, but the total are 89. Okay, those. Next, we will move to the next question. We move to question number 26. We have 17 cards whose numbers start from 1 up to 17. So clearly written here 17 cards. So that means the total number of cards, that is the possible outcome, will be 17. Then out of this 17, we have to find a probability, a 2-digit number. Oh sorry, odd number. Odd number means those number which we cannot divide by 2. So what are they? We have 1, 3, then we have 5. Okay, you count them all, you see what do you get. Count those. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, which we cannot divide by 2. Remember, 9. Then we have 11, we have 13, we have 15. Remember, only up to 17. Count them by yourself, see how many you get. So we have 9 odd. That means the probability will be, the favorable outcome is 9. Then total number that is possible, we have 17. We cannot cancel, so let it be that. Next, we have to choose from 1 to 70 prime numbers. So remember, prime numbers, the numbers which have only 2 factors. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Okay, so how many of them? You count them, and then that will be the favorable outcome. So we see we get 7 of them. So the favorable is 7. The possible outcome is 17. Then next we have to see numbers which we can divide by 3. Between 1 to 17, what are the number we can divide by 3? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18. 18 it is more. So that means how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 such number which we can divide by 3. So the probability for those number which are divisible by 3, they will be 5 divided upon by 17, which is the total number. 5 is a favorable, 17. Then next we want a number which we can divide both by 2 and 3. When they say and mean, we should be divided by 2 and 3. So from 1 up to 17, what are the number we can divide both by 2 and 3? 2 into 3, 6. So that means 6 will be the first number. 6 we can divide 12, right? Then 6 into 1, 6, 6, 2, 12, 6, 3, 18, the one which we get in both the table. But 18, it is more than 17. So less than 6, 17, they are only 6 and 12. That means there are only 2 such number. So the probability will be, the favorable is 2, the total is 17. So that's all.